Stuffing mushrooms could be messy. Let me show you an awesome trick so it's easy and absolutely no mess involved. And it's so juicy and so tasty. It is about to become your new favorite recipe. Let's get started. After thoroughly cleaning the mushrooms, remove the stem of each mushroom. So if you like, you can also mince the stems and put them in the filling. Place the mushrooms on a plate. I have fully deveined, or took out the intestine that runs along the top of the shrimp, but you may still see a black line at the bottom of the shrimp. It's the circulatory and nervous systems and does not contain any digestive discharge, so it's rarely taken out by anyone. In a food processor, add the deveined shrimp and blend it until it becomes a paste. You can also mince everything with a knife, then add the salt, white pepper, and egg. Mix well. Carrots, cilantro stems, bamboo shoots, and ginger. Mix again. This is the cooking trick that I like to share with you. You can use a pastry bag or a Ziploc bag for your filling. So place the filling in a pastry bag or a Ziploc bag. And cut out the tip. And squeeze the filling in the mushrooms. You can see how easy it is. It is fun, clean, and absolutely no mess involved. Now we're gonna make the sauce. In a bowl, we're gonna add the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, rice wine. You can also use other cooking wine or opt it out if you can't consume alcohol. Water, cornstarch slurry. I have here 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Whisk. In a pan over medium heat, add the avocado oil or other cooking oil that you enjoy. Add the stuffed mushrooms. Cook until aromatic for about 2 minutes. Pour in the sauce. Cover the lid. And let it cook for another 3 minutes until completely cooked through. Are you kidding me? This is absolutely amazing. It's so delicious. When you bite into it, instantly the juice just came out from the mushroom and the shrimp is so bouncy, so delicious. I really hope you enjoyed today's episode. So if you like it, please subscribe, thumbs up, and follow my social media accounts. I'll see you again soon. Bye!